Water quality is job one. People have to be comfortable that every day, every hour, every minute, the water that they're receiving from us meets or exceeds standards for quality. We're kind of going to go behind the scenes a little bit and show them what's really going on. The quality starts at the beginning. Raw water, we monitor our lake and our source of supply. We then bring it into a treatment facility that allow us to treat that water, then send it out in the distribution system. But the job isn't over because we have a network of 1,400 miles of pipe in our system. And we can actually put cameras in the pipes and assess their level of stability and whether there's a high potential for a failure ahead of time. We can actually proactively fix a leak before it occurs. When you get to the treatment facility, we've cleaned the water to a certain degree. Now we run it through multiple dual media filters, which have multiple layers of sand and gravel. And the backwash is when we clean those. The backwash is always the most popular part of a plant tour. The tanks are used to create pressure in the system. You pump to a certain height. That pressure in the height of the tank puts pressure on the system. That's why there's a certain amount of pressure at everybody's home. So they buffer peaks in demand, and they provide storage for fire flow. Sometimes we have to be on call at not the ideal times. We just had a major water main break on Green Oaks, just near Christmas. Our people are there to get that done, and they worked around the clock for over a week to repair that major leak and make sure we didn't have a problem in our system. Leak detection is an important part of water conservation. We are now implementing a full-time leak detection process. We'll have a person dedicated to that. Council has approved us changing out our entire system to what's called automatic meter reading, where we can actually get a reading on everybody's meter hourly. And even if you're away from home, you can check in and see if there's any usage at your home. We've already got 25% of our system transitioned, so we should have a program complete within the next 7 years. We have one of the lowest water costs in the Metroplex, so we have high quality and low cost. That's a great position to be in. Part of teamwork is doing what you do every day, and then there are some other things in our industry that we have a chance to participate in that help our employees get some exposure, have some fun, and do some things as a group. One of those is a tapping team.
1, 2, 3, go!
It's a contest where a group of 4 people can actually tap a pipe, put in a fixture, hook it up to a service line in under 4 minutes. It's pretty amazing. But it shows you what can happen when people work together. It's 24/7, 365, and people have responsibilities around the clock. So it is important that we communicate, that we have an attitude of people helping other people.